Okay, let me first record our discussion regarding multiplication and division of fraction. Okay, so let's have here Michaela. I'm going to share my whiteboard and then let's try to answer this one, Anna. Okay. So, Michaela, since this is just a review regarding multiplication and division of fraction, let me first remind you of how we multiply fractions easily. So, Michaela, first is we need to first simplify each fraction. So, for example, this one in number 1 we have 6 over 8, and then in fraction number 2 this is 3 over 12. So, if 6 over 8 or 3 over 12 can be reduced to its lowest term, we need to do it. Okay? And if both fraction cannot be reduced to its lowest term, let us check its cross cancellation. Like for example, in number 2, um, can we divide these numbers by 2? If yes, then we
No.
should divide it. And if no, we can um, do the next process, which is multiplying numerators together and then the denominator together and simplify its result. So, Michaela, let me first show you again how to multiply fraction. So, I'm going to show you first the process again. In number 1, Michaela, we have here 6 over 8 times 3 over 12. Okay, can you see my writings on the board?
Yes.
Okay. So, Michaela, our first fraction here is 6 over 8. Is 6 over 8 can be reduced to lowest term?
Mm, yes.
Yes. Okay, very good. So, we need to reduce first this fraction to its lowest term so that we can multiply um, much lesser number. So, what is their greatest common factor? Where can we divide even numbers again?
By 2.
Very good. So we divide it by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is equal to what?
3.
Very good. Half of 6 is 3. How about half of 8, anak? What is 8 divided by 2?
4.
Very good. That is 4. So our first fraction will now become 3 over 4. And then multiply it by our second fraction is 3 over 12. Um, is there, can we still reduce 3 over 12 into its lowest term?
Mm, no.
Yes or no?
No.
No? O sige, Micaela, what is the greatest, can you divide 3 by 3? Yes or no? How
Yes.
many? Okay, yes. How about 12 and 3?
Mm,
How about
yes.
12? Yes, okay, very good. So, Micaela, we can still reduce this one into lowest term, okay? And they are both divisible by 3. So, their greatest common factor is equal to 3. What is 3 divided by 3, anak?
1.
Very good. How about 12 divided by 3? You can do the skip counting on anak of 3.
4.
Very good, that's 4. On now, our second fraction will now become 1 over 4. And we can now multiply them. So this is 3 times 1 and then 4 times 4. What is 3 times 1, Micaela?
3.
3. How about 4 times 4?
16.
Very good, 16. So our final answer here in number 1 is 3 over 16. Okay, again, Michaela, for us to multiply smaller number, we can first reduce two fractions into lowest term. Let me again answer number 2. The number 3, you'll need to answer that. Okay? So that is 1 half times 4 over 5. I have here, Michaela, 1 half times 4 over 5. Is 1 half already in its simplest form? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, very good. How about 4 fifths?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So since they are both in simplest form, let's proceed to step number 2, which is we try to cross multiply. Okay? Is 2 divisible by 4? Yes or no?
Mm, yes.
Okay. So what is 2 divided by 2? How many 2's are there in
1.
2? Very good. That's 1. How about 4 divided by 2?
2.
2. Very good. So we can now multiply those fractions. So let's have this. Um, 1 times 2, that is equal to,
1 times 2.
yes po, because we
2.
already reduced this 4 and 2 into 2 and 1. So that is equal to 2. Or how about 1 times 5, anak?
5.
5. Very good. So our final answer here is 2 over 5. Okay, let me first write this one. This is 2 over 5. How about this one, Michaela? Can you please answer number 3? So our given in number 3 is 2 over 4 times 7 over 8. Oh, our our first step is for us to reduce the first or the second fraction in its lowest term, or if both of them can be reduced, then do so. If they can't be reduced, then we try the cross multiplication cancellation. Okay, so let's have this one, anak. 2 over 4. Is this in simplified form po? 2 over 4. No. So where can we divide 2 over 4 to make it in the simplest form?
1.
They are both even numbers, and even numbers are always divisible by.
2.
Very good. Now, Michaela, can you please reduce 2 over 4 into simplified form? You write here, anak, so that I can see your work. First, reduce 2 over 4 in simplified form, anak.
Hmm.
You cannot do that. 4 and 7 are not divisible to one another. Okay? You copy 2 over 4 here, anak. The first fraction. Copy first. Okay? And then, you divide them by what number? Where can we divide even numbers again?
2.
2. Or you divide both of them, the numerator and denominator, into 2. Mm. Where's the number 2, anak? You write agad the answer. You divide first by 2 over 2. Oh, this one, 2 over 2. Okay. Now, Michaela, can you now divide 2 divided by 2? That is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, very good. So, can you please write the first fraction below 2 over 4? Below, anak, 2 over 4. Okay. And then times 7 over 8. Now, can you please multiply them? How to multiply fractions again?
Numerator to numerator.
And
Denominator to denominator.
Very good. Oh, can you please multiply them? Where's your equal sign, anak? Very good. So if you multiply them, 7 times 1 is 7, 2 times 8 is 16. Good job. So can you please write 7 over 16 at number 3? Okay. So how about, where's 7 over 16 at number 3, anak, at the blank? Okay. 7 over 16. Very good. Now, Micaela, let's try number 4. So our given here, Micaela, is 2 over 7 times 7 over 9. So first, let us identify if both fractions are already in simplified form. Is 2 over 7 already in simplified form? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. How about 7 over 9? Are
No.
they not? No? Why no? Michaela, how to know if they are both in simplified form? So their factor should only be one. So let's try this one, Michaela. 7. What are the numbers that we can multiply to make it 7, anak?
Two, 1,
1 and
7.
7. How about 9?
1
And
and 3,
9. 1 and 9. And then
3.
3 and 3. Oh, now, Michaela, the factors of 7 is 1 and 7 only. The factors of 9 is 1, 9, and 3. Now, Michaela, what is the similar number that you can see in the factors of 7 and 9?
1.
1. So, therefore, they are already in simplified form since their only factor is 1. Oh, now, Michaela, 2 over 7 is already in simplified form. 7 over 9 is already in simplified form. Now, all we need to do is to cross-cancelled. Okay? Is 2 divisible by 9? Is
No.
no. How about 7 and 7? Are they divisible with one another?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, now, Michaela, you can do the cross-cancelled. If they are divisible to one another, you can do the cross-cancelled. Here, anak, here ka mag-write. Okay, very good. And 7 divided by 7 is equal to?
1.
How about in the denominator or the first fraction?
1.
Okay, good job. And now, we need to multiply both of the numerator and then both of the denominator. So that is 2 times 1. Very good. How about? Okay. And then for our denominator, we have here 7 times, sorry, it's 1 times 7. 1 times 9. Sorry, 1 times 9. I'm sorry. Now, that is equal to, what is 2 times 1, anak? How about 1 times 9? 1 times 9 is equal to 9. Okay? So, your final answer here in number 4 is 2 over 9. Can you please write 2 over 9 at the blank in our given? Okay, let me see. Mm, that's number 5, anak. Ay, sorry. I will just move it to number 4 here. How about number 5, Micaela? So our number 5 here is 4 over 10 times 1 over 6. Micaela, is 4 over 10 already in simplified form?
Yes.
Are you sure? Is 4 an odd or an even number?
Even.
How about 10?
Even.
So even numbers are both divisible by
2.
2. Oh, you need first to simplify 4 over 10. Can you please write it here at the whiteboard, anak, in our Zoom?
Okay. Hmm.
Here, anak. I can see your pen, your cursor. Ayan, I can already see it. 4 over 10. They are both divisible by
2.
2. Oh, you write divide, division symbol, and then you need to divide both of them by 2. Very good. And that is equal to, where's the equal sign, anak? Okay. 4 divided by 2 is, 10 divided by 2 is, very good. Now, can you please write your reduced fraction below 10, 4 over 10, and then times, what's the second fraction, anak?
1 over 6.
Okay, great. Can you please write them? Now, Micaela, let's try to cross multiply, cross cancelled. Is 1 divisible by 5? How about 2 and 6? Can we still divide them?
No.
No, not yet. No.
Yes.
What's yes? What number, anak? 1, 5, or 2 and 6? Okay, very good. Can you please do the cross cancelled? How many twos are there in 2? How many twos are there in 6? Okay, great. Now you multiply both of the numerator. 1 times 1 is?
1.
Okay, great. How about 5 times 3? What is 5 times 3, anak?
1.
Okay, again, Micaela, can we do the skip counting of 5? 5.
5, 10, 15, 20,
Okay, there are only 5 times 3 is equal to?
30,
Again, Micaela, 5,
10,
10,
15.
15. So that's only
Oh.
15. Okay, great. Can you please write your answer at the blank? That is 1 over 15. How about in number 6, anak? So our given here is 2 over 5 times 1 over 4. First, let us check if the first fraction is already in simplified form. Is the first fraction already in simplified form? Yes or no?
Yes.
How about
No.
1 over 4?
Yes.
Yes. Let's do the cross cancelled. Is 2 and 4 already in simplified form?
Mm, yes.
Yes. We cannot divide 2 by 2 and then 4 by 2.
No.
No,
Two.
we cannot. Oh, Micaela, let me ask you a question. How many 2's are there in 2?
One.
How many 2's are there in 4?
Two.
Oh, so therefore, we can still reduce them by dividing it by what number, anak?
By two.
Okay, very good. Oh, can you please divide them? How many 2's are there in 2's? Dito ka magsagot, anak, in the whiteboard.
How many?
2's
Two.
are there in 2?
One.
One. You cross-canceled, anak. You do the cross-canceled here. How many 2's are there in 2's? That is 1. How many 2's are there in 4?
Two.
2. Oh, now you can do the multiplying numerator by numerator and then denominator by denominator.
Mm.
So 1 times 1 is, okay, great. 5 times 2 is, 5 times 2 is, double 5, anak. If you double 5, the answer is
10.
10. Okay, you write 10 at the denominator. Okay, great. And write your answer in the blank. Okay, how about this one, Micaela? We have here 2/3 times 3 over 10. So we have here 2/3 times 3 over 10. Okay, again, Micaela, is 2/3 already in simplified form?
Mm, no.
No, why no? What are the factors of 2, anak?
Two.
And what are the numbers that you can multiply to make it 2?
One.
1, 2
And
and 1. How about 3?
two.
How about
uh,
3
One. One.
and
Three.
3? Okay, great. So what is the number? What is a similar number of 2 and 3? So their factors, only 1. So therefore, that is already in simplified form. How about 3 over 10, anak? How about in 3 over 10? Are they
Yes.
already? Yes,
No.
okay.
Yes.
So let us cross canceled again. Let us do the cross canceled. Um, can you still reduce 2 and 10?
Mm,
Yes or no?
no.
No? Again, Micaela, how many 2's are there in 2?
One.
How many 2's are there in 10?
Five.
5. So we can still simplify them. How about this one? How many 3's are there in 3? How many 3's are there in
One.
3? 1. Okay, how about this one? How many 3's are there in 3? That is 1 again.
One.
So we can now multiply them, anak. What is 1 times 1?
One.
1. What is 1 times 5?
Five.
5. Okay, so our answer in number 7 is 1 over 5. Okay, how about in number 8, anak? We have here 8 over 10 and then 4 over 7. 8 over 10 times 4 over 7. Mm. Is 8 over 10 already in simplified form? Always check if they are both even numbers, and if they are, then they are divisible by what number, anak?
Thirty.
Even okay, by 2. Oh, now Michaela, 8 and 10. Can they be simplified? Is 8 an even number?
Mm, yes.
Is 10 an even number?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, can you please simplify that fraction? Write your answer at the whiteboard, anak, so that I can see your work.
Hmm.
8 over 10 divided by what number can you divide in 8 and 10? For you, okay, very good. And then 8 divided by 2 is 10 divided by 2 is okay, 5. Can you please write your answer below 8 over 10, anak? Below 8 over 10. Okay, that is 4 over 5 times. What's the second fraction, anak?
4/7.
Okay, 4 over 7. Now, can you please multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator? What is 7 times 5, anak?
36.
Again, let's do the skip counting of 5. 5.
Oh no. 5, 10.
Okay, very good. It's only 35. So, can you please write your answer? 16 over 35 at the blank, anak. Okay, for our number 9, the given here is um 8 over 12 and then 1 over 5. 8 over 12 times 1 over 5. Now, Michaela, is 8 over 12 already in simplified form? Yes or no?
Yes.
Again, think first. If both number are already in simplified form, how to know that? If they are both even number, they can still be simplified by dividing them to what number?
2.
2. Is 8 an even number?
Yes.
Is 12 an even number?
Yes.
So therefore, they can still be reduced to its lowest term. So again, Michaela, where can we divide them? Oh, let's see.
By 2.
Okay, again, let's get the greatest common factor. Oh, so what are the numbers that you can multiply to make it 8?
So, 1, 2,
1, 2,
4,
4,
8.
and 8. Okay, very good. How about 12, anak? 1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
6,
6,
12.
12. Okay, Michaela, please look at the whiteboard. What is the greatest number that both 8 and 12 have?
1. 2.
Only two? Greatest
Yun
number,
nga.
anak.
4.
Okay, very good. So therefore, the greatest common factor here is 4. Now, 8 divided by 4 is equal to, what is 8 divided by 4, anak?
2.
2. How about 12 divided by 4? You can do,
3.
okay, very good, 3. So we have here, the first fraction will now become 2/3, and the second fraction will now become 1/5. Can you please multiply them, anak? Okay, very good. So can you please write your answer at number 9? That is 2/15. Write it here at the blank, anak. Where's your pen? Number 9. That's 2/15. Okay, great. Now, Michaela, I will going to end first our first session. Go back here for us to review division. Okay. Any question?
No.
Okay, so let me end this one and I'll see you at exactly 5:34. Okay, goodbye for now, Michaela.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.